The On-Demand Manufacturing or ODM lab is composed of an additive manufacturing lab and a machine shop. The space has more than 15 machines with a large range of capabilities. This example was printed as a flexible resin which allows the lab to print tubing and gasket materials. It was created using their small-scale additive resin-based machine. Another impressive machine is their intermediate additive machine. It allows the lab to print complex and movable parts through a water-soluble fill that is easily removed. This is a rare capability that saves the command time and money when printing intricate designs. It can also create customizable tools with continuous fiber reinforcement that prevents the deterioration of the tool. A tool can be designed as any shape or size and as strong or flexible as necessary for a specific job. A wrench can be as strong as an aluminum one, but half the cost. This is the large-scale additive machine. It has the capability to print items with dimensional accuracy down to 5/1000ths of an inch, but is also able to print items as large as a cubic meter. Here it is printing inserts for a DIY mask kit to help provide personal protective equipment from COVID-19. The metal additive manufacturing machine within the lab supports making parts like this. It is a metal 3D printed impeller that was created through a specialized printing process using metal filament. It is a safer and more durable process and a more cost-effective option for unique parts. The ODM lab also has a machine shop on site that allows lab personnel to complete traditional metal work such as bending and cutting pieces like these. The lab has the ability to scan objects and create a digital 3D model of it using light and then use that information to 3D print the object. The scan can also detect color and texture. Along with additive and subtractive manufacturing, the lab has the capability to etch, cut, and engrave materials using a dual optic laser machine. A key service offered is general engineering support. Lab personnel are all trained in various engineering backgrounds and are available to assist IPTs with everything related to designing and producing a product. Lab personnel have also created both in-class and virtual training to learn about each of the techniques in the lab. Individuals can then take NIWC-generated assessments to become certified to use the equipment on their own. The overall benefit of the on-demand manufacturing lab is that they can research and design a variety of tools and parts for the command and industry partners, then create prototypes and support low-rate initial production at NIWC Atlantic.